Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, this week, actually yesterday, I was out looking for stuff. I'm trying to get my wood burning stove hooked up and everything ready. I was looking for everything I needed for it, and I slipped into Home Depot because I thought they were going to have what I needed, and they didn't. But of course, just like every time, I got to go look at tools, and it's just bad. I shouldn't be in there, but I do, and well, things tend to come home with me. This next thing didn't come home with me though. It's a little pricey. It's a tool cart. It's a nice, very nice tool cart by Milwaukee. Hang out with us and we'll go over it. Okay, what we have here is a Milwaukee Steel Work Cart. It is nice. Seen these walking through Home Depot today. It's got this nice little tray folding out. Very, very sturdily built. The top holds 300 pounds. And it's got a couple of cups up there. You can lay your work pieces in some grooves up there and it holds it steady. It's got a bottom drawer and a top drawer, and those hold 200 pounds and they're soft close. Here you see the bottom drawer out, and here in a minute I'll pull the top one out for you. It's just really nice. There's a couple of hangers on it for, I guess, rolled items. You also got trays in the sides that are adjustable up and down. It's nice, but now it's $498. You have your built-in power with USB. You can set your laptop up there. I don't know. It's really, in the end, you got to decide whether it's worth your money or not. But if you're out on a job site on this thing, it could come in real, real handy. Y'all check it out. Take care.